Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a color block now with Sassy as my base color, and I'll do a stripe of Holidaze as the color block. These two colors are from Rossi Cosmetics. So I'll be doing the base on my forefingers and then the color block on as an accent now. Showing you a bit of washi tape that I have that I'll be using later on. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I'll do my base colors off camera. So you can see here that's done. So I'm now going to start trying to lay that washi tape on my accent finger. So I'm just trying to do a diagonal stripe at this point from one corner of my nail to the other. And then, as before, just trying to make sure it lays flat against my nail. Just pushing it right into the corners there. And I'm just using the pusher just to make sure it gets right in near the cuticle lines. Okay, so now I'm going to start applying the base coat to the exposed areas of my nail. I don't think I mentioned it, but I do have a layer of peeler base on underneath that and a layer of clear on top of that peeler base. So I'm trying not to get that base onto the tape, but if it gets on there, it doesn't really matter. It'll come off easy anyway. Now just pouring on that purple color onto where the base is, and I'm going to do this 3 times. This time I thought I'd try dipping my nail into the color, which worked out pretty well. It was pretty good as well. Now this is my 3rd layer. And now I'm carefully just taking off that bit of washi tape. So getting a nice clean line. So done with that base color, now I'm going to move on to the glitter. So again, just putting on a nice thin layer of base coat. And for the first layer of glitter, I'm just going to dip. And then the next layers, I think I went ahead and did a lay on. Just dipping it in now. Tap off the excess. Just trying to make sure it lays flat against my nail. And then I'll clear up my cuticle. Waiting that to dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and do another I think I did 2 more layers after this one. Just speeding through this so you don't have to watch me do the same thing over and over again. Yeah, for the last layer I laid my nail into the glitter rather than dipped. So now I'm activating my nails. And I'm going to go ahead and shape and buff off camera. So there it is, shaped and buffed, and I decided to put on a bit of nail strapping tape onto my color block just to enhance that color a bit. You'll see at the end though that I decided to get rid of the strapping tape. So here we are with a glossy top coat, but I did decide that I liked the satin look better, so that's what this is. I buffed off the shininess of the top coat just to give that satin look. And there it is. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!